everyone. My name is Rukmini, and today I attended at Asian College of Teachers webinar. It's the topic was social emotional learning and young learners. Juma ma'am took this webinar, and I'm so impressed and very grateful to have been attending this session. I have to thank Juma ma'am. It's been very interesting and very informative. I'm really very happy to have done this, and I suggest these sessions to be taken by all the parents, because this is very informative to how to deal with the dealing should be done from the kids in the home. It should start from the home. So I highly suggest every parent should take this webinar. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for everything.